Hey, good morning. We're at the Desert Holly Complex in Palm Springs. It's really a rare treat to see this complex. It's a small little mid-century development where we have a new listing coming up. Only about maybe 10 or 12 units. But let me show you around. These rarely hit the market, so it's kind of nice to be able to check this out. There's the doorman, Clay Bayham. So we don't know who the architect is, but it's very has all the features of mid-century: the clear story windows, the concrete blocks, floor-to-ceiling windows that let the inside or let the outside in, maybe the inside out too, but kind of sloping type roofs. Wonderful pool area. Look at the views too. Pretty nice. So all the units are around a pool. There's 1 and 2 bedroom units, and today we're going to go look at a 1 bedroom. And it's going to become on the market, I believe, this weekend. But really nicely maintained. The HOA is really attentive to the mid-century flavor of the property and has restored it over the years. They've gated it. Check out these old cactus. Look at that saguaro cactus, which is awesome. It goes through the roof there. What do you want to say a little blurb why you like the complex? You're live.
Well, I think that this is one of the first condos in Central Palm Springs, mid-century obviously. Yeah. There's clear story windows all around in the living and the bedroom space. This is just all the mid-century in one hot location.
Yeah, at the time you figured there was probably nothing around here when they built it. It was kind of in the middle of nowhere.
No, and it kind of splits the difference between downtown and the airport, so it's really convenient.
Yeah, that's true. And you don't know who the architect is. I don't think anybody really knows that.
I wish I did.
Yeah, it's very cool. So let's step inside. We have the whole office here, so it's a little crowd. Hi, Sarah.
Hi.
Ooh. Do you want to tell me a little about your new listing?
This is Desert Holly. Very rare that these come on the market. So we're real excited to have a 1 bedroom, 1 bath unit, corner unit with western facing views, spectacular mountain views. Been updated, but still left a lot of the original details. HOA is $255 and list priced is $319.
$319.
So come on in.
How many square feet is it, Sarah?
A little under 800.
Oh, it's bigger than I thought.
You're gonna have it all pop-off, Sarah?
Yes, basically. I need at least an hour's notice though because the dog and Dante lives here full time. So
I need to get 10 clients in here quick.
well, I'll be here till 11 o'clock.
You should
Saturday.
be very
Showed
quick.
it already. So if there's anybody you want to bring Saturday at 11, please do.
Love you to see you.
Window.
Isn't that cute? He bought that here too at the flea market. Yeah, he's got great taste.
Even has laundry in the unit. That's a nice little feature. Sweet little kitchen.
Yeah, original kitchen, but freshened up.
And what was this built? 1959 or?
1957.
Okay.
That's the gate company.
Yeah. Oh.
I know.
Yeah, Sarah, you should have this. Your kitties would love being with those windows.
I know they would.
Yeah. And what I like about these is you also have a little private patio.
Yeah, the
Look what they
patio's
did.
really cute.
How sweet are those little?
I know. Look at the pavers. I mean, little circular pavers.
You could put a hot tub back here.
You could.
Kind of get off the storage.
He's gated
nicely.
off. Yep.
I like the
New
lights.
French drains back here too, so there's good drainage as well. It does rain, or 4 days of the year it rains.
Yeah, for those days. Look at the views, even from your little private patio.
Yep.
So really sweet. And again, these really don't hit the market that often, so
Sorry.
it's kind of nice to get a. Oh, I like that.
I know,
Starbucks mermaid.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically. It's,
Right?
It's cool.
Oh, look at that sweet puppy.
It's Scandinavian. He found that at the flea market here too.
He's a hunter then, right?
Hmm?
Okay.
Beautiful.
Really nice. Beautiful flowers.
That is my absolute favorite thing.
Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
I know.
if you're interested in this one, I would call Sarah quickly because these tend to sell really fast. Our email's been blowing up. People have been asking for this yet. So give us a call and we'd be happy to send you more info and try to get you in here too. Thanks.